अफोर्ड कर पाएंगे तो ऑब्वियसली
Mustang.
नो और मस्टैंग मस्टैंग में स्पीड है गाइस, इसमें क्लास है.
Oh, you want to know the speed?
हाँ,
You can never match this speed even with Mustang.
this speed.
Yeah.
And let's see the pic. Oh god. Oh god. Oh भाई साहब. Zoop हो रहा है भाई, zoop. थोड़ा
I'm
सा.
like, if I put autopilot, I don't even want to drive.
Oh, okay. Super.
I guess that's
मेरे सीट में ऐसी है भाई. सीट में से हवा आ रहा है. भाई साहब. So you called your car? Okay.
car.
See? Tarjan. Tarjan also. Oh, bhai, so we are playing game in the Tesla. Shit, man. हमने येलो पे हमने ये कुछ नया एक्सपीरियंस है. आज टेस्ला का एक्सपीरियंस है गाइस. Oh,
Yeah, he opened it.
it worked. भाई गेट भी नहीं खोलना आ रहा. Shit, बहुत डाउन है भाई. Like a sports car.
You can
Hello.
just- Hey, hi.
तो दिस इज आसिफ, उनकी गाड़ी है.
Yeah, put the seatbelt on.
Oh yeah, sure. अभी always I always forget to. Done. You see?
If you see smart summon feature na bro.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are putting the address. बहुत सेक्सी है. पहले तो it is like sports car. मैं थोड़ा नीचे बैठा हूँ, ऐसा फील हो रहा है. भैया की कार में थोड़ा it's hiked there, right? तो आशिफ कुछ आप बता रहे थे.
Oh.
So about parking.
Oh, you okay? So basically, yeah, it has a smart summon.
हाँ.
So with your phone, you can just call this car. Like it just comes to you, just like that.
So if I'm parking anywhere, it will
Yeah.
come to me.
Yeah, you don't want to drive. It
Oh.
just comes by itself.
So I'll open my phone and app and I'll
Yeah.
say, okay, car,
Yeah.
please come to me.
Yeah, yeah. You
Oh,
have a
God.
feature like that.
Can we see that today?
Yeah, yeah, we can.
Oh God, भाई साहब बहुत कुछ देखने को मिलेगा. Tesla is one of the experience which I want. I just wanted to see the Tesla. I don't know कि I can be in the Tesla. So
Yeah,
today,
I'll show you this one. Wait.
okay.
Just calculates the trip. So I'm gonna test on my autopilot.
So we are activating the autopilot. हाँ?
Yeah.
इसने एड्रेस ले लिया है. Oh, you can see like all the cars are there.
You can just see like this.
So this is our Tesla.
Yeah, this is my Tesla.
This is behind
Yeah.
one. This is the front
See the
car.
traffic lights also.
Yes, we can see the lights. Yes. So it will automatically detect the lights also. Ki
Yeah.
we need to go or not.
It will just chim once the
Okay.
green light is.
So we need to give the race after that. Thoda
I'm
sa.
like, if I put autopilot, I don't even want to drive.
Oh, okay.
Basically, if I'm gonna see her, I put the autopilot, it will just drive by itself.
Oh, Baba. So it's automatically driving
Yeah.
and taking us to the map जहाँ पे भी हमने डाला है.
From right now, you don't want to drive.
Oh, भाई
It drives
साहब.
by itself.
And all the safety measures it will take automatically.
Like every turns, roundabouts, everything, it just takes.
And it's slowing down guys. See, red hai.
Yeah.
There is no like there.
Yeah.
On
And after green, it's just going.
after green, it's automatically. Oh God.
It shifts lane automatically.
गोपी आप तो पहले बैठे इसमें शायद.
Sorry.
Oh God.
Gopi bro has experienced this.
Experience.
Yeah.
भाई आजकल गाड़ी चलाने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. Oh nice experience भाई लोग. Super. So this is one of the best feature जो हम लोग देखते रहते हैं. ये हमारी मैकडी और वो जगह. Oh, it took the turn automatically. And जब ये चल रही है ना तो we are like going back.
So basically, it has 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 cameras.
8 cameras.
Yeah. So front it has 3.
Uh-huh.
And this no, it's 4. Oh, it's 9. This camera will be keep on detecting me. So if I'm gonna just see around or somewhere, I'm not gonna
Uh-huh.
concentrate here.
Right.
It asks me to hold the steering. little.
Oh,
Like,
थोड़ा सा.
yeah.
At least it will be safe.
Yeah, it doesn't allow you to be unattended for a long time. So if I'm
Okay.
just seeing right now, it's not a problem since it's like parking right now in a signal. But when it's like when you're driving and you're like not looking into the road,
Uh-huh.
they'll ask you to hold it. If you don't hold it, it will give you a high alarm and it will the
Wake
autopilot
you
cuts
up
off.
like that. अच्छा अच्छा.
Yeah, the autopilot cuts off. And
Oh,
you know you
God.
can have AC for your seat.
AC for the seat.
Yeah, your seat will be there.
Oh.
Your seat.
हाँ, it's yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh God.
Even this one can be controlled AC. You don't see any outlets, right?
No,
You can
but
just control it like this. Yes, yes. Yeah, you can just.
so ये हवा कहाँ से आना चाहिए? It will be expanding. It will be decreasing also.
You open up like this. It just
Oh, it will go up.
Yeah.
God. ओ भाई ऊपर देखो, ऊपर भी दिख रहा हूँ. Hello guys. You. Super. Super.
Akash, Tesla.
मेरे सीट में एसी है भाई. सीट में से हवा आ रहा है. भाई साहब.
Really buying Tesla, Akash.
अरे यार. Now I want Tesla. Let's see. अफोर्ड कर पाएंगे तो obviously.
Or Mustang.
No more Mustang. Mustang में स्पीड है guys. इसमें क्लास है.
Oh, you want to hold the speed?
हाँ.
You can never match this speed even with Mustang.
This speed.
Yeah.
हाँ okay.
Bro, this guy doesn't know this pickup,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah. it's-
अरे वही तो ये खींच रहा है तो इट इज लाइक द पिकअप इज वेरी ऐसा पीछे जा रहे हैं हम लोग
You will feel like flight takeoff. I'm being very honest.
इसमें. हाँ,
Yeah.
इफ विल बी ऑन द रोड.
Yeah.
या भाई इससे कैरी जाने में मजा आता. भाई साहब.
Yeah, we went to Charlotte and
We used to
Oh,
go everywhere.
and Ashif showed me the pickup power
Yeah.
few times.
एक्चुअली आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर आसिफ फ्रॉम
Even the
लाइक
glove box. if you
लास्ट
see it.
वीक. आपने
no.
बोला था ना कि आसिफ आने वाले हैं.
The
आई
glove
थॉट
box,
कि
it
हाँ
doesn't have any buttons.
Okay.
So if you just go here, I have my pin.
पासवर्ड.
It just opens.
ओह.
Oh, let's close this.
व्हाट इफ इट इज नॉट वर्किंग?
It will work.
इट विल वर्क. भाई यहाँ पे कुछ खोलने का नहीं है. वही मैं पूछा तो.
And it will be like keep
There
on
is-
recording everything. So
Oh.
nobody can do a false claim. Like, hey, you know, like.
Means if someone is opening
Yeah.
when you are not there, so this knows.
Yeah, you can't even open my car if I'm not there. I don't have a key.
Ah,
Just my
okay.
phone.
हाँ, okay,
If
okay,
I walk
okay.
with my phone and I open, it will open.
ओ भाई साहब. यहाँ पे देखो कुछ नहीं है. यहाँ पे आई थिंक फॉर दिस इट इज देयर.
Yeah.
या ओके चलो ये तो
Backside
कंट्रोल हो
also
रहा
you have
है
an entry
मैनुअली.
for them. The AC also same. You adjust it like that. And they
हाँ
can
इधर भी
watch-
स्क्रीन है
Yeah, they can watch YouTube.
टू कंट्रोल द एसीज लाइक दिस. सी.
You can watch YouTube, Netflix, everything.
ओह ये ऑफ बटन है. दिस इज ऑन बटन. ओह गॉड. सो यूट्यूब एंड एवरीथिंग दे कैन बाय.
They can watch everything. YouTube, Amazon Prime, Netflix. We can also watch, but we cannot watch while driving. We can watch
हाँ
when we just park.
वंस पार्क्ड.
Safety.
ओके 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 ओके. क्या भाई क्या क्या दिखा रहे हो आप लोग. मैं होटल में रहता कुछ नहीं देख पाता. मैं स्टार्ट करता देखना चीजें आफ्टर होटल.
I'll just
Luckily.
turn off the autopilot.
Tesla का demo हो गया.
ओके
I'll just show you the
ऑल ऑटो पायलट इज डन. अभी मैनुअल है एंड लेट्स सी द पिक. ओ गॉड. ओ गॉड. ओ भाई साहब. ओ शिट. ओ भाई
It
ये तो
bounces.
कार आ गई.
Yeah.
ओ भाई जुप हो रहा है भाई जुप.
Dude, this is my anxiety.
Oh my god. See, this is green and
It's okay.
Oh
it's
God.
fine for you. For me, it's anxiety.
पीछे बैठ के एंजाइटी आ रहा है. Oh god.
Yeah,
Oh my.
anxiety is
Yeah.
just boost.
The pickup is like
It's
so
like-
bad.
हाँ.
I'm telling you, right now my charge is 11%.
Right.
So that's
मैं
why-
वही देखा कि it is very less charged.
Yeah, bro. Entrance is that's it.
Okay.
So basically,
हाँ.
if it is more than 20%, you will see more pickup because 20% is like it comes under reserve charge.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
So it won't let you that much pickup. So the one that you saw is just 50% of it. If you
Oh.
keep it more than 20% of charge and you just press it, it will fly off.
हाँ. वो तो थोड़ा सा आपने प्रेस किया ना
That's why
तभी
I
पता
just
चल गया.
keep it always like in chill mode.
Ah.
Like it doesn't allow me to
To-
do more pickup. You know, it just controls the pickup.
क्या मस्त रोड था नहीं.
You can heat your seat, cool your seat. That is common, but
Uh-huh.
yeah, but cool seat is like pretty nice features I love.
yes. मसाज फीचर तो मैंने सुना था पहले.
Straight parking, straight head.
So this is the college. Actually, I forgot to tell. We came for a graduation ceremony for our roommate.
We can park
तो
here.
उनका graduation complete हो रहा है and we came to attend that. अभी हो रहा है 6. Oh, it is 7. See and see the sun.
I came here
Actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
So yeah, this is the college. Sexy college. Parking पूरा लगा हुआ
It's
है.
like an auditorium.
It's
Here,
a
WWE will happen. World
Hey,
Wrestling
the-
Entertainment is there, right? It will happen here.
oh
There is a lot of time it happened here. I came here.
WWE.
Yeah, this is like a very big arena stadium.
भाई यार.
You should come to WWE and you should record your YouTube.
Yeah, I'll do that. भाई यहाँ पे WWE भी होता है.
Your
हम
fans
लोग वो
will get-
देखेंगे.
How fake it is.
It is
यहाँ आने
actually-
के बाद पता चलेगा कितना फेक है ना.
It is really a circus, you know.
Oh God.
The kids, they.
So they kept the ceremony in the auditorium.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
You won't go to the WWE auditorium, so that is a very big auditorium. You won't get there.
Ah, okay.
But the thing is like.
On the parkings.
Yeah, we can just park it back.
Self parking.
Yeah, we can self park.
Okay, we are trying to park self. See, यहाँ पे एक जगह खाली है. पीछे राइट. इधर.
You can show it here in the camera.
And see, it is going back. And it's parking. See. Okay, अभी आगे जा रहे हैं.
I have gears here also.
Ah.
My gears are here and my gears are here.
Right.
Oh, it parked.
Yeah.
Oh
Just press
God.
the button there, small button.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh. आराम से. Yeah.
Oh, is it very close?
Not close, but kind of. I'll manage. And इसको बचा लेंगे. Okay. I'm out. This is sexy car. भाई आगे से तो दिखाया ही नहीं. लुक देखो भाई, ब्लैक टेस्ला. चमक रही है भाई. कैसा लगा आपको? आपने तो किया ड्राइव. ओ भाई, मोस्ट इंगेजिंग ब्लॉग है. 10 मिनट का मोस्ट इंगेजिंग ब्लॉग है. सी, सो वी केम फॉर द सेरेमनी. लेट्स सी फ्रॉम द सेरेमनी. बहुत लंबा हो गया.